Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on laptop. So once you're on your Windows PC or laptop, guys, in order to screen record, you want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, and you want to search for snipping tool. Now, once you open the snipping tool, you'll be able to take pictures with this, and also you'll be able to record your screen. And the reason why I'm not able to open this is that I am currently using snipping tool to actually screen record at the moment. So this is a proof that it's actually working as well. So what you want to do is open it, and I'm going to show you from the browser what you need exactly to be able to record your screen. Once you open the snipping tool on Windows, you will see on the upper left that you have a new button, a camera button, and this is when you want to take screenshot. So once you select this, you'll have a little plus on your screen, and you just need to click and drag to how you want to actually take the screenshot, or the area that you want to take the screenshot. Once you let go, it will take the screenshot and you can save it. Right, the same goes for the screen recording. You'll click this camera right here, and what's going to happen is that you will be able to outline the section of your screen or the entire screen that you want to screen record. Once you do that, you will have the option at the top. You will see, like, for example, you'll get the option that you can unmute your microphone. So it's important that when you are doing that, you have the option to literally choose if you have an external mic or you're using your PC mic. It's important to remember to unmute that at the top, because you'll be able to now record with your sound or with your microphone. So it's important to remember to check that, and you'll be able to do that. So let me just see if I search, for example, snipping tool unmute. Let me see if this actually shows it. It doesn't show at the moment. It will look something like, yeah, this is how it actually looks, guys. So if you look at this image right here, let me see if this will be bigger. Let's see on this page here how it actually looks. Snipping tool. So this is how it actually looks. So when you want to do the screen record, it will show you this right here. So you need to select this option here with the camcorder, let's call it like that, and then outline your screen. And yeah, so you select this, and then you basically click on this to basically drag across your screen. This is a good guide. And at the top as well, you will see, for example, that it shows you the microphone right here, or the mic. So you need to ensure that you unmute this and select your correct microphone, and then you'll be able to start the recording. So you'll click on this start button right here, and it will start to record your mic. And you can see, for example, in this guide, it's giving you everything, showing you that you need to select this, and then you need to select your microphone to unmute it. And then once you do that, you'll need to start the recording, and you'll be able to quickly record it. So it looks just like this. So you need to select this mute button here, right here. So just uncheck this mute. And once you uncheck it, you'll be able to see that your microphone is working, and then you hit the start record. So this is a very good guide as well. And once you're finished, you just hit save, and then towards the right hand side you have the save button right here that you can just save your file on your PC wherever you want. This is a good guide. So shout out to Nerd or Shark, if you call it like that. So I want to shout out to them, because this is where they have their guide, and this is very good and straightforward. So guys, as I said, I would really like to show you on my screen how to do it, but I am currently using it to actually record my screen as well. So you have the proof as well. But this is how you can actually screen record on your Windows 11 laptop, guys. Very easy and very simple. You don't need any third-party application. What I want to mention is that if you have a really slow computer, if you're using up a lot of RAM on your PC, sometimes it can crashes. And if you're a person who actually use, for example, Google Chrome with a lot of tabs, that will actually slow down your computer, and it can also slow down and crash as well. So this is the only drawback that I find with snipping tool. Apart from that, it is super lightweight and super easy to screen record. And if you're a person who are following my channel for a long time, then you will see my video qualities. Guess what? All of my videos that I have is actually recorded with snipping tool. Yeah, that's the secret. It is super easy, super lightweight. So if you like my videos, if you like the quality of the videos, this is actually snipping tool that I'm using. Free with Windows, and it works fine, no problem. Other alternatives is OBS Studio. You can use it if you want to. If you have CapCut, for example, there's a screen recorder in that as well. You can use, for example, Clipchamp on your Windows as well. So if you have Clipchamp, you can use Clipchamp on Windows as well to screen record. So these are some of the tools that you can actually use, guys. But it's super easy and super simple.